Hi everyone, this is Connie from Cell House Columbus, and we have one of our satisfied clients with us. We have Ricky here. We just closed on his property today, March 25th. Ricky, how'd you hear about us?
Uh, Browsing the internet.
Yeah, that's how you found us, just on the internet?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. I was looking for a cash option, and you guys come up on the list. So,
yeah, you're looking to sell your house fast and for some cash. Can you tell us a little bit about your situation and why you were selling your house?
uh, had a bunch of bad memories here, and not too fond of the neighbors anymore. uh, uh, they're always complaining on stupid stuff. I just need a new beginning, fresh start somewhere else. I figured I'd
Yeah.
sell the house. I wanted to keep it for the kids. That way, when something happened to me and I passed away, they had the house to give to them. But I'm gonna try to get another one before then.
Yeah. Did we do what we said we were gonna do and purchase your property as is with cash?
Yes,
Awesome. How was your process in working with us?
very easy, very satisfied.
Good, good. And so last thing, what would you say to somebody who would like to sell their home faster for cash? How would you recommend for them?
I've actually already recommended you guys.
Oh, you have?
Yep. I was talking to somebody at work, and they asked me who you guys were, and I gave them your SHC, and they wrote it down and took the information.
You have to give them my number, Ricky.
Okay. I'll do that when I see her. I'll see her again on Monday, so I'll give her the number then.
Awesome. Yeah, we greatly appreciate that. Well, this is Connie with Sell House Columbus. And if you or anyone you know is looking to sell, definitely reach out to us.
I